Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel! For today's video ay magkakaroon na naman tayo ng unboxing ng another physical card. And this time ay Maya Visa physical card naman ang ating bubuksan. So, madali lang ang pag-order ng Maya physical card. All you have to do is to go to your Maya app. Next, go to the Cards tab and from there, you can choose between Maya Mastercard or Maya Visa. After that, you just need to fill out some details and provide information such as address kung saan i-deliver ang inyong physical card. So, mahaba-haba din ang days na hinintay ko bago dumating ang aking Maya Visa card. Reminder lang guys na you need to present a valid government ID sa pag-claim ng inyong Maya Visa card. Hinahanap po talaga ito ng rider to confirm your identity and para maibigay sa tamang tao ang importanteng package na ito. So, same sa Sibang Courier ang nag-deliver ng aking Maya Visa card which is Ninja Van. So, ganito ang mukha ng package guys. Wow! Sobrang sleek ng mukha niya guys. Parang luxurious ang dating. The one thing for everything you do. So, basahin lang natin yung details na nakalagay dito. Ipopost ko muna yung screen para mabasa natin. Shop, dine, stream, and subscribe. Pay online or in-store where Visa or MasterCard is accepted. Withdraw your savings. Transfer your savings to your wallet and head to an ATM. Spend with a personal touch. Show the world your username every time you pay. Pay with confidence. Your card links to your wallet to keep your savings safe. Now, let's open this one. Wow, ganito yung mukha ng Visa card guys. Sobrang cool ng mukha niya. Kulay green naman yung color sa side. So, tinakpan ko lang guys yung mga important details ng card. Basahin naman natin ang mga nakalagay na details dito. Activating your card, which is later ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang process on how I was able to activate mine. Next, using your card. To see your card transactions in real time, check your wallet history. When withdrawing at an ATM or paying at the counter, choose Savings, not Current, then enter your 6-digit PIN. Controlling your card. On the card's dashboard, you can select your card to do things like view and copy your card number, change your card's nickname, change your PIN, and block your card instantly. Ngayon naman ay ipapakita ko sa inyo on how I was able to activate my Maya Visa card. On the Maya app, click on the Cards tab and look for Activate Now. You can easily see the card that needs to be activated. Click on Activate Your Card. To activate your card, enter the information as shown on the back of your card. These are your card number, month, year, and CVV security code. Now your CVV is the 3-digit code that can be seen at the back of your card. This is very important, and for your own safety, do not disclose your CVV security code to others. After filling out the important details, you can now set a 6-digit card PIN that will serve as your PIN code every time you withdraw cash at an ATM. Then, your card is good to go. You can now enjoy using your card to shop, dine, play, and travel anywhere in the world. Create your Maya account today and take advantage of its many benefits. You can get 50 pesos when you use my code below to get banked with Maya, plus up to 15% interest per annum. You can also check the link on the description box of this video on how to create your very own Maya account. Thank you for watching, guys! I hope nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel para laging maging updated sa ating mga future uploads. Bye, guys!